Did plenty research, and after overall, I decided that PTE
To go.
Magic was my best option.
Is how did you find out about PTE Magic?
So I did plenty research, and after overall, I decided that PTE
To go.
Magic was my best option because that you offered your own platform. This one was most the more important and critical things, because the other ones sometimes they don't offer a platform. You have to pay extra for that ongoing another platform. So this one was important, and also the most important was the mock test and also the one-on-one session. When I see all the things that you offer, was the most competitive option for me, and say I would take this. So
Okay.
that someone see this video, they can say 100% that also I check it. I check it.
What was the most challenging part of the exam, and how did you overcome it? So
I think the most challenging part for me before the exam, maybe also during the exam as well, was repeat sentence and write from dictation. And also, there are the most two important things that you need to do in the exam. In the first moment was a little difficult as well, because I say the same. I need to listen, write, and everything, but it was a little better. And after with the practice, because when I listen, I was writing in the same time, and also in the class you have tricks, so definitely I start to use the tricks, and this one was so good. But anyway, you need to practice. I do. And also I found in the platform, in the PTE, I find this one that was so good.
wow.
It's the
Yes.
ebook, but was the ebook like how to pass PTE in 7 days. I'm gonna say, okay, I need this.
If you have one advice to say or to give to the students who will be taking exams soon, what will it be?
You have to management this one about the time and everything, the time when you talk, because you have to for example, describe an image in only 30 seconds. When you write in the say, or when you write the summarize a spoken text or something, you have to write specific words. Other thing, let me say, it's dedicate at least 1 full month for sure, but dedicate minimum. You have to be aware that me, I think was my mistake before, that I wasn't aware that you have to study minimum 2 to 3 hours per day, minimum 6 days per week, plus the classes.